Here now, so this is going to be a new home. Hopefully be in the next 2 weeks. It's a new start for us now on that as well. It's great for us, very exciting times. I've been on the housing list now for over 5 years and that, so although it was a long wait, it's still kind of come at a bit of a surprise. You hear so many people being on the housing list for a lot longer as well, so it came as a bit of a surprise, but absolutely delighted now to be moving in, to have the keys and looking forward. Space in our own house and everything is absolutely brilliant. It's great for the lads to have their own space to kind of grow and kind of do things that they want that they couldn't have before, so it's absolutely brilliant. Just even driving around Waterford now, you would notice a lot of new builds and stuff like that coming up, and schemes like this one now and that, and the rest of the houses that they're moving on to there now as well. You actually feel like there's a bit of momentum moving forward for people, so a little light at the end of the tunnel.
If I get my bed, I'm probably going to play my Nintendo on my bed.
Of course, can see that it's improving, because we are a perfect example that it's improving because we got the house. So hopefully for everybody, finger crossed.
So our dream come true. It's with special needs, and because of that, I cannot work and I have to mind them.
So it will be a big save for us.
Yeah.